Hello. In this video, we will begin to introduce recursion in chapter 15. Recursion is a technique that leads to an efficient and elegant solution to problems that are inherently recursive. So let's look at this problem here to draw the H shape. So this is the order 0. That is H shape for order of 0. And here, this is order of 1. So order of 1 is, you look at the order of 0 here is now for every endpoint of this H shape, you draw another H shape. So for order of 2, and you go look at every H and the endpoints and draw an H shape centered at the points. So this is 2. Now here, this is 3, and this is 4. So this is the H shape. How do you draw this? You can use recursion because the problem is inherently recursive. You need to identify the recursion here is look at this order, the order of 0. So that is just 1 H, and order of 1. So you need to draw the first, this 1 H, and then look at all the center points at the end of each H and draw H. And this is the recursive pattern. You can think about it of this. So look at this small one right here. This is, it's a small size of the big one. So look at this one here, and this is like this is order 2. So this is like the order 1, but the smaller size. So this is the different center, and the center is not going to be here. So look at this center is going to be here, this one right here. And the length of the H shape is reduced by half. And I'll continue if you look at 3. So now you can look at, hey, what is this one here? This is also like order, this is 2, but this length is half of the previous one. So this is a recursive pattern. We can solve this problem using recursion efficiently. So first, we're going to introduce recursion in the next video, and we use simple examples to demonstrate recursion. And then we will look at characteristics of recursive functions. And then we are going to look at the some inherently recursive problems like the Taoa-Hanoi problem, and draw the Sierpinski triangle. And at the end, we'll compare recursion with iteration. And finally, we'll introduce tail recursion. That is all for the introduction to recursion. See you on the next video.